Welcome back to Healthy Steps Seniors. Today, I want to ask you a very personal question. Have you noticed lately that your legs feel weaker, shakier, or more tired than they used to? Maybe it's just a little bit of difficulty getting up from a chair, or a moment of hesitation when you step up onto a curb, or that feeling of exhaustion after just a short walk. These signs are more than just a minor inconvenience. They are silent warnings. Because when your legs get weaker, the risk of falling increases. And a fall at this age can lead to serious complications, taking away our independence and our joy for life. But I am here to tell you that is not a life sentence. This feeling of weakness is not something you are forced to accept. In today's video, we are going to do something very important together. We will explore the 5 deepest reasons why the legs of older adults get weaker, and more importantly, the gentle, effective solutions you can start today before it's too late. Stay with me, because the knowledge you are about to receive could be the key to helping you regain your stability and freedom in every step you take. Reason number 5, age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia. The first and most common reason is the silent enemy known as sarcopenia. Imagine your muscles are like a bank account. When we are young, every time we move, every nutritious meal we eat is like making a deposit into that account. But after the age of 60, if we don't actively make deposits, the body will start automatically withdrawing funds every day. What are the signs that your account is running low? You notice that your thighs or calves look smaller. You get tired very quickly, even when just walking a short distance in the supermarket. Lifting a small bag of groceries feels heavier than before. So how do we deposit funds back into our account? There are 2 essential ways. 1. Depositing with intentional movement. Muscles only grow when they receive a signal that they need to work. You don't need a gym. Start with these golden exercises right at home. Chair squats. This isn't just an exercise. It's the exercise of independence. Every time you stand up from a chair without using your hands, you are reinforcing your ability to live independently. Try to do 8 to 10 repetitions a day. Leg lifts. While sitting in a chair, slowly straighten one leg out and hold it for a few seconds. This exercise helps strengthen the front thigh muscles, which are crucial for walking. Daily walks. Just a 10 to 15-minute walk is a precious signal to send to your muscles. And 2, depositing with smart nutrition. The body needs materials to build muscle. That material is protein. Make sure each of your meals includes a quality source of protein, such as lean meat, fish, eggs, beans, or milk and yogurt. Sarcopenia is a natural process, but its speed is entirely within your control. Reason number 2, issues from the spine. Sometimes the problem isn't in your legs, but originates from the command center, your spine. Imagine your spine is the headquarters of your nervous system, and the nerves running down to your legs are the communication lines. If there's a problem at headquarters, like a herniated disc or spinal stenosis, it will put pressure on these lines. What is the consequence? The signals sent to your legs are disrupted, causing muscle weakness, pain that radiates from your back down to your buttocks and leg, sciatica, or a sensation of numbness. How can you relieve pressure on your headquarters? Gentle exercises. The knee to chest stretch while lying down is like a gentle hug that helps relieve tension in your lower back. Sitting in a chair and slowly twisting your torso from side to side is also very helpful. Change your posture. Avoid sitting in one position for too long. Get up and walk around every 30 to 45 minutes. Using a lumbar support cushion when you're sitting at work or watching TV can also make a big difference. Reason number 3, nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. The third reason doesn't come from your muscles or blood vessels, but from the body's electrical wiring itself, your nerves. Peripheral neuropathy occurs when the nerves in your legs are damaged. They no longer send and receive signals accurately. What are the signs of a faulty electrical system? A feeling of numbness, tingling, or burning in your feet. A very strange sensation that many of my patients describe as like walking on a sponge. You can no longer feel the ground clearly beneath your feet. A loss of balance, especially when walking in the dark. The most common causes of this condition are poorly controlled diabetes and vitamin B12 deficiency. How can you nourish your nervous system? Control your blood sugar. If you have diabetes, this is the #1 priority. Supplement with vitamin B12. Add B12-rich foods to your diet, like eggs, milk, fish, and meat. If you're a vegetarian, talk to your doctor about taking a B12 supplement. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol is a toxin to your nerves. Foot massage. Gently stimulating your feet each evening helps enhance sensation and circulation. If you have symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, don't ignore them. See your doctor to find out the cause and get the appropriate treatment. Reason number 4, poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. The fourth reason can come from an issue that many people overlook, your circulatory system. Imagine the blood vessels in your legs are like highways, but over time, plaque can build up, causing those highways to get jammed and narrow. This is a medical condition called peripheral artery disease, PAD. When that happens, blood, oxygen, and nutrients can't reach your muscles adequately. What are the signs of a traffic jam in your vessels? Your legs frequently feel cold or numb. You have a feeling of heaviness in your legs, especially at the end of the day. A very specific sign, you experience pain or cramping in your calves when you walk, but the feeling goes away when you sit down and rest. How can you clear the roads for your vessels? Go for a light walk every day. This is the most natural and effective way to clear the roads. Movement promotes blood circulation. Drink enough water and reduce salt. Water helps thin the blood, making it easier to flow, while reducing salt helps control blood pressure, easing the strain on your vessel walls. Small habits: soaking your feet in warm water, gently massaging your calves, or elevating your legs when you rest are all excellent ways to support circulation. Important note: if you have persistent symptoms of PAD, especially calf pain when walking, please talk to your doctor. This could be a sign of a health issue that requires medical intervention. Reason number 1, mineral deficiency, electrolyte imbalance. And finally, a very common but often overlooked reason, an imbalance of essential minerals, also known as electrolytes. Your muscles are able to contract and relax thanks to tiny electrical sparks created by minerals like potassium and magnesium. When these are deficient, the system malfunctions. What are the signs of a lack of electrical sparks? Cramps, especially at night. A feeling of tremors or slight twitching in your muscles. Unexplained fatigue. This condition often occurs due to dehydration, the side effects of certain medications, like diuretics, or simply a diet that is not nutritious enough. How can you recharge your minerals? Potassium-rich foods, bananas, oranges, sweet potatoes, avocados, and especially spinach. Magnesium-rich foods, almonds, nuts, dark chocolate, beans, and whole grains. Epsom salt baths. Adding a few cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soaking before bed is a great way for your body to absorb magnesium through the skin and relax your muscles. Drink enough water. Water is the solvent that helps electrolytes work effectively. So, we have walked through the 5 main reasons why legs get weaker. Do you see? The strength in your legs doesn't come from a magic pill. It comes from comprehensive care, from building muscle through nutrition and movement, from caring for your circulatory system with healthy habits, from protecting your nervous system, from relieving pressure on your spine, and from ensuring your body has a balance of essential minerals. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the journey to regaining strength in your legs can begin with one small action tomorrow. Maybe it's a chair squat. Maybe it's adding a banana to your meal, or simply getting up to walk around every 30 minutes. I want to hear from you. After watching this video, which reason surprised you the most? And what is the first action you are going to take? Share it with us in the comments below. If you found this knowledge helpful, please hit like, share this video with an older friend or relative, and don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Steps Seniors channel so we can continue on this journey together. Remember, you have the power to change. Start today.